Wood repairs often fail because the adhesive does not behave like real wood, but this innovative solution is designed to solve that problem at the core. Permatex Cellulose Wood Epoxy is uniquely formulated to restore damaged wood with a finish, strength, and working behavior that closely mimics natural wood. From small household fixes to detailed woodworking tasks, it delivers reliable results that look and feel right. What makes this product stand out is its cellulose reinforcement. Cellulose is the primary structural component of plant cell walls, and by incorporating it into the epoxy, this formula becomes the only wood epoxy engineered to truly replicate the characteristics of wood itself. Once cured, the repair matches natural wood in color, texture, and responds to sanding, staining, or painting, creating a smooth, seamless, like new, appearance. The epoxy sets in approximately 5 minutes and cures fully in about 1 hour, reaching up to 2000 psi strength. This fast working performance allows projects to move forward quickly while still delivering impressive durability. Because it requires less clamping than standard wood glues, it simplifies assembly and repair work, especially in areas where traditional clamps are difficult to use. Unlike penetrating adhesives, this wood epoxy stays where it is applied, making it ideal for filling stripped screw holes, rebuilding damaged edges, or reinforcing weak joints. Once cured, it can be sanded, shaped, stained, or painted just like real wood, giving you full control over the final finish. Many users rely on it for precise repairs such as screw hole restoration using toothpicks or assembling lower quality wood products where added strength is needed. Developed by Permatex, this epoxy reflects a focus on performance-driven repair solutions. If you want a wood repair product that works faster, holds stronger, and blends naturally with wood surfaces, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel to discover more smart repair and restoration products that help you get professional results with confidence.